So this shifter feels horrible. Still feels a little bit sloppy. It's a little hard to see, but there's a spring at the back here. It doesn't seem to have a backing plate on there, so I have to check that one out. But that feels a lot better already. Oh. That's not even bolted on, so that's probably not helping the situation. So now that I've got the shifter a little bit more stable, can actually put it in park. So that's as far as we can push it in for now, but let's give it a clean. Alright, so what do I know about this ute? Well, I bought it pretty cheap off Facebook Marketplace and was told it just needed keys. Bought it sight unseen, it was delivered to me. That's when I discovered there's no front brakes. And then also, probably can't see it from here, but the transmission lines have been cut and pinched off. We managed to get it started. It started smelling like fuel really badly, and we noticed when we pushed it out it was leaking fuel quite a lot. So basically it's had a bit of a rough life by the looks of it. Some rubber on the back. Thankfully everything that's broken or missing I have, except for the front brakes. So yeah, the next step is, now that it's clean enough to go inside, we'll try and get underneath it and just see what it needs. But it seemed to start up okay. Didn't want to drive at all. Probably there's no fluid in there, but yeah, we'll give it a service, give it a tidy up, see what we can fix and replace, and see if we can save it. We're actually extremely lucky it didn't catch on fire when we started it up, because we didn't know it was leaking fuel, whether it's something that just started with the fuel pressure. But there's a spare muffler in the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but if we look underneath, here, boom. managed to get it off, and it's very dirty. So looking at the fuel tank, there didn't seem to be any leaks. That muffler's toast. It's been smoked. So gonna get underneath and see if I can trace this fuel leak, but it doesn't look too bad overall. It's definitely been punished. So let's have a look. Alright, so found the leak. Some weird stuff going on with this car. So I don't know why, but they've cut the transmission lines and then put this loop in here. Maybe this was leaking. Luckily I have a spare one. But yeah, this hose line just goes to nothing. So I gotta replace that. So this is a spare fuel rail that I've got. It's this hose here that was disconnected, causing the leak. So found this under the car. So yeah, just pop it back on, new hose clamp. Fire extinguishers there.
Yeah. Be handy. Wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah, you should look at it from the exhaust.
Wait.